Hi YouTube, my name is Tiffany Domina, and today I wanted to do a walkthrough of the Wealthy Affiliate platform. If you are looking into internet marketing as a career or blogging as a career, or you have an existing business and you want to learn how to use the internet to be more effective with it online, then my number one recommendation is Wealthy Affiliate. I did a video review on it a couple days ago where I explained all of the pros and cons and the reasons why I recommend it as the number one place to learn internet marketing. So you might want to go and take a look at that video if you haven't watched that video and seen the pros and cons. I was very thorough in that video, so it's about an hour. But in this video, I don't plan to rehash all of that. I just want to show you what the platform is like. I didn't do a walkthrough or a tour in the other video, and I realized that people might want to see inside of it, even though it is free. So the other day, you can hear in my video, I said, well, it's free, so you should just try it out. But I'll let you see inside. I'll show you what it's like. And the reason for this is because some people are curious, like what is it like? And so I did get more questions even after doing that video because I didn't actually do a tour. So in this video, I want to show you from the beginning what it would be like. So right now, you're looking at my screen. If you go to howtoentrepreneur.org/wealthy affiliate, then this is the screen you'll see. And as you can see, to become a member, all you have to do is to enter your email address. You enter your email address and then you can get started. You're a member. So that's how it starts out. So that's very simple. After you are all signed up, because I'm already a member, I'll show you what the inside is like. Okay, so once you're logged on, this is what you'll see. And this is basically the dashboard on the inside. So as you can see, it operates similar to a social media platform because this is my feed. So right here you can see my profile, my current rank, how many posts I have, and the size of my network as of today. So I've been a member now for 1 year. So over the course of 1 year, I've been able to build a network of 1.1 thousand people, which is pretty cool. And so along the side, you see these are different proprietary tools that Wealthy Affiliate offers. And this one, where you're looking at now, is the dashboard. So as I scroll down, you can see that it's very active. This post was 3 minutes ago. This post was about an hour ago. And you can see that it ranges by popularity. Some of them have lots of comments and likes because, as you can see, the platform is actually highly engaged. So then you'll see these are new premium members, people who they tried out the platform and they like it. So you can stop by and say hello to them. The platform encourages you to welcome new members and for you to collaborate with old members. So it's just a way of helping everybody to feel welcome, helping to build the relationships, and just building the community even stronger. So it's very active and always a lot of new people joining the platform. So if you look, you can see that we're able to blog on Wealthy Affiliates platform. And so the blog posts come up like this. This person wrote, "So impossible to myself." And you can see these are the top 10 posts today. This is the owner. He's written a blog post that your reviews are content. He's strongly advocating for ethical reviews and for people to say, to be honest and not to sugarcoat things, not to review something good because it pays you a high commission. He's absolutely against that. And that's one thing I really strongly love about Wealthy Affiliate, is that they really want honesty on the internet. And so when they teach us to write reviews online, they're teaching us to write accurate reviews, to be 100% honest, and to say what is best and how it compares, and to give the facts and to help the person to make a decision that's going to be the greatest value to them and not us as the reviewer. So his post, he just wrote it yesterday, and it kind of went viral because people on the platform, most of them agree with that. Most of the people at Wealthy Affiliate feel strongly about having good ethics. And so you will find some people out there who are trying to make quick money, and so they write biased reviews and they're not honest. But that's not the majority at Wealthy Affiliate, and it's not the culture that the owners are trying to pass down. So that is one great thing in comparison to other platforms. You'll find other platforms that teach you to have the greatest advantage for yourself. Think about how much commission you're going to make. Think about this and that. And that's not what's being taught at Wealthy Affiliate. It's all about the customer. And over the lifetime of the customer, you end up having a greater potential because they'll trust your recommendations because they know you think about them first. So that is a beautiful culture to have, and that is what permeates from the top down at Wealthy Affiliate. So the second post, as you can see, this member, he's been a member for 3 years. He started out at Wealthy Affiliate as a newbie, and now he's hitting his first $30,000 month. So that's very exciting. You can see that the posts range. Some of them are on topic with affiliate marketing, and some of them are more broad about general online marketing. Some people are using different strategies and not just affiliate marketing. Some of them are actually selling their services, and it's a variety. So as you can see, this is a source of motivation for most of the members because they're able to see and interact and network and hear the stories of what other members are doing to be successful. And it's very encouraging and motivating. And if you decide to start an online business, mindset is crucial because a lot of times people who start an online business, they start it from home. They're not around a work environment of people who have a similar occupations. Whereas if you start an engineering career or a nursing career, it's likely you can get around people who are nurses, and you have to go to school, so you will get around people who are in the same profession, and you can encourage each other. You can study together. You can share notes. But can you imagine a career field where you're trying to learn all of these hard topics and you have to learn it and go at it alone? Internet marketing can feel very much like that in the beginning when you don't have a community of like-minded people. And so Wealthy Affiliate has really curated a high-quality community of people who are go-getters, very motivated, have strong work ethics, and willing to roll their sleeves up and start this online business thing. So you'll see these posts. Some of them are from people who are very new. Some of them are from people who are more established. And then another feature inside of Wealthy Affiliate that really makes it very nice is the questions. You can ask questions on your profile. I'll go to my profile and kind of show you how it will work. But you can ask questions. If you have a question about internet marketing, you can go to your profile and ask a question. So you can see here, some of the people I cannot log into newly registered domain on websites on WA. So that one kind of is written a little unclear, but I can go to this member's profile where they ask the question, and I can reply to the question if I'm knowledgeable with the answer. This one, am I required to set up a site with Wealthy Affiliate? The answer is no. So I can go over to this member and reply to their question and let them know they do not have to set up a website with Wealthy Affiliate. They can set up a website with whichever hosting they choose and still apply the training to that. So as you can see, a lot of the members have responded and let this member know they absolutely don't have to set up a website here. So and similarly, if you choose to set up a website at Wealthy Affiliate and you decide you want to move it somewhere else, you can do that. So the questions is just a way for you to keep your mind clear and get the answers that you need so you don't stay stuck and stay with obstacles as you're building your business. And I've always had very quick results regardless of the type of questions that I ask. I've had questions about how to improve my speed and how to compress images and how to different coding errors that I've gotten over the course of the last year since I've been a member. I have had different questions. And so it's been amazing to have a community with various backgrounds and skill levels that's able to answer questions, whether they are very beginner or whether they are more advanced. So you can see some of the posts that are there. Some of them serve as motivation, like this person made 12 sales in October. That's exciting. That's obviously a milestone for them. So then you can encourage them. You can be encouraged by it if that's something you haven't done before. And then as you can see, these are different success posts from different people at Wealthy Affiliate. So some of the results are bigger than others. This person in the first 2 days of the year 2017, they made $775. So that's over $300 per day. And that's pretty good in 2017. So we can write whatever successes we have, and they serve as motivation for other people because sometimes it can get discouraging when you're building your business and maybe you aren't seeing the results that you want. Sometimes you have good days and bad days. Every business does. And so when you see other people's experiences, a lot of times they'll write, this is what I did and this is the outcome I had, and it can challenge you to kind of try and experiment something different that maybe you didn't think about before. So this is success on people who are ranking. So as you can see, this member said they were able to get on the first page in 22 seconds. This person is number 8 on page 1 in 20 minutes. So those are just different success posts. You can see a lot of success is happening, and there's always something new, somebody writing a new success they had. These are different accomplishments. Wealthy Affiliate has different proprietary algorithms set up inside of the platform so that it tracks the members' accomplishments. If they set up their account, then it tracks the accomplishments, and you can go and congratulate the person for meeting another milestone in the growth of their business. So as you can see, the account setup, this person upgraded to premium, this person created their first website, this person just got indexed in Google. And so there's a lot of exciting things like that. A lot of the milestones like that are geared towards the new people. The first website created, Google index, all of that stuff, that's more geared towards the newer people. But I just want to show you, you can see the top training from today. These are the ones that people are watching the most. This is the popular one that most people talk about when they refer to Wealthy Affiliates training. They're referring to the online entrepreneur certification. So in the online entrepreneur certification, it has 5 levels, it has 50 lessons, and the first 10 are what you get for free. As you can see, it's very highly rated. There are 70,202 likes, 226,400 comments. So it's a very active course. There's a lot of people in there engaging about different topics on internet marketing. This is level 2 of the same course, and is very popular, as you can see. And then it continues. Level 3 is also very popular. And you can see that there are member contributed courses, like this member here created a course, when and how to generate new thumbnails or image sizes in WordPress. And so that's what a lot of members don't review when they review Wealthy Affiliate and they're looking at the core training. They'll most likely be talking about the training here, the online entrepreneur certification. But if you look, there's also the affiliate bootcamp, and that the affiliate bootcamp is actually for people who want to promote Wealthy Affiliate and to make an income from that. Or people who know others who want to learn internet marketing and they want to recommend Wealthy Affiliate to them. When they do that, Wealthy Affiliate has an affiliate program and they can get paid by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. But in order to learn how to do that, how to become a good affiliate, you take this course. And a part of that course is ethics. They really want their affiliates who are recommending Wealthy Affiliate to do so in an honest and trustworthy way. So they show you how to create your site. They want you to build a credible brand. They want you to be trustworthy and to give good content on your site. They don't want affiliates who are, not representing. And so the affiliate bootcamp definitely goes over that. I can say that not all of the people who go through the affiliate bootcamp do a good job applying the advice. And so you will find reviews about the affiliates at Wealthy Affiliate, and some of them may not be high quality. I think that it is what it is, and it happens within every affiliate program. But Wealthy Affiliate is very thorough in the way that they teach their affiliates. And but they have the online entrepreneur certification. That's pretty much to train you how to build a business regardless of niche. So you can build a lifestyle niche. You can build a lifestyle niche website. You can build a problem-based website where it's something like howtocurecancer.com. You can build a passion-based website where it's something like howtoknit.com, howtogolf.com. So there are different niches. You can choose a passion niche. You can choose a lifestyle niche like parenting, motherhood, business, or you can choose whatever you want. Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to build the website, how to get traffic to it. And so I want to go through a portion of Wealthy Affiliate that most people don't go into, and that is the training headquarters, because this is where you'll find a lot of the contributed training that isn't by the owner of Wealthy Affiliate. And this is actually a growing thing because this was just added onto the platform last year. But members can contribute as long as you've been a member for 3 months. Then you can contribute training. And similar to a platform like Skillshare or Udemy, where you can go on and take courses on all kinds of things, Wealthy Affiliate is growing into that because they have this opportunity for people, and they have a huge community. They have a lot of skills there. So there are more people who are learning about how to use this area of the platform to create training, and the fact that you can be paid to create this training. So it's very appealing. It also, if you are an affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate, then it's a way that you can answer the questions of the people you refer. It's also a way that you can help people within the community and increase retention for the people who come, because you can actually make the change you want to see to the platform. If you notice there's an element of training that is missing, then you can create that training if you have the knowledge. Um, so as you can see, there is more training. This is the Wealthy Affiliate Live Training Coach. His name is Jay. He does live training every week, and it also is Q&A. So if you're a premium member at Wealthy Affiliate, you can actually attend the trainings with Jay, and you can see the trainings he's done, these live events, over the last year. You actually can go back and watch any of them. Once you're a premium member, it's so many hours of training, because he's been doing these live training sessions for over 10 years. So you can go back, and that, if just 1 year is 52 hours. So if you can go back 10 years, right there is hundreds of hours of training from a very experienced internet marketing coach. And he's highly qualified in affiliate marketing. He's been also running a digital marketing agency for more than 10 years and had lots of success with both. So you can see his training is very thorough. He answers all the questions that you might have. He goes over both beginner and advanced topics. You can see introduction to Bing, introduction to Google Search Console. Those are kind of more basic things. But then he goes into 2019 SEO checklist. And this coming training is on doing SEO on a blog post live. So they're trying to also include new factors that will help to rank better, because the algorithms are becoming more sophisticated and taking into consideration more factors, especially since mobile is growing and since voice search is growing and different things like that. So Wealthy Affiliate is continuing to evolve the training to accommodate these new factors and these new trends in technology. So you can see scalability, introduction to Google Analytics, how to track conversions in Google Analytics, affiliate promotions. There's lots of things that Jay has trained on, and that's exclusive, is separate from the core training, the online entrepreneur certification, and that's separate from the affiliate bootcamp, which both of those are very powerful and very good courses and can compare in the market with most. And I say it's really the leading training in the market. But when you add on to that, that you have access to all of this live training as well, it just really is a game changer. So, and then you add on to that, that you have member contributed training that's constantly growing. So like this training is very popular. How to create a six-figure website. This member has done it several times and is having great success with building niche websites and selling them. And so he is very knowledgeable about how to build a six-figure website. And so he created a training on that. You can see how to resolve submitted URL marked no index, how to create a cool news ticker in WordPress. This member is very knowledgeable in coding, and so he does a lot of training that teaches you how to customize your website and how to increase engagement and things like that on your website. So how to create multiple streams of income online, you can just see that this is growing into something that is highly valuable. This member just is having $100,000 weeks, and he's creating training here. So you can see that some of our advanced members are creating training as well as the owners. This training is on how to improve your site speed, how to resize Amazon site strip. There's just all kinds of training here. How to build a sales funnel using WordPress, how to create a Facebook business page, how to set up your website for search engines. I mean, the alphabet soup technique. A lot of people are trying to use the alphabet soup technique or something similar to it instead of doing keyword research. They teach the alphabet soup technique at Wealthy Affiliate, but they don't teach that exclusive as a replacement for keyword research. It just doesn't work as efficiently as that. So, as you can see, there is thousands of hours, literally thousands of hours of training here. This member has had lots of, he's an advanced member as well. He creates training. This member is an advanced member. She does a lot of influence. She's considered an influencer. So a lot of her training is geared towards people who want to be influencers and do influencer marketing and collaborations with brands. So that's a whole different monetization strategy that is taught by this member. So as you can see, this is an area of Wealthy Affiliate that many of the other reviewers haven't went over, but it adds even more value. Okay, so I also want to show you, I talked yesterday about proprietary tools in Wealthy Affiliate, and so I want to show you what those proprietary tools look like. So when you are inside of Wealthy Affiliate, and you log on, I told you about the site content feature, site domain, site builder, all of that. But I want to show you how those things work. I guess my internet's moving a little slow, sorry. Okay, so here it goes. So as you can see, when you look here, this is the site manager, the site builder, site domain, site content, site comments, site feedback, and site support. So I'll briefly walk you through each one. So when you go to the site manager, this compares to your cPanel. So the cPanel that you would have if you were hosted at Bluehost or HostGator or Just Host, InMotion, A2, any of those hosting companies, you would have a cPanel. So you would have your billing log on where you pay for your hosting, and then you'll have a separate log on onto your cPanel, and that's where you can do things like install WordPress and build, add different content management systems and things like that. So for some people, they consider cPanel to be confusing. And so there's a growing trend of people switching to services that are more customized for WordPress, like Flywheel or WP Engine. Wealthy Affiliate is also an alternative to WP Engine and Flywheel. And let me show you why. This is their custom control panel. And as you can see, These are the websites that I have hosted at Wealthy Affiliate. And let's go to, I can log on to any of my websites from here, so I don't actually have to have a cPanel log on, a WordPress log on, and a separate log on for my billing account. So when you look, this is my website, How to Entrepreneur, that I've been working on for the last year. And as you can see, it tells you about the health of your website, and then it tells you what you can do to improve it. So as you can see, my publishing frequency is good. My content quality and variety is good. They want you to aim for posts that are 1,500 words and up. My engagement, when people comment on my posts, I respond to my comments. So my engagement is good. And my trust, my site is more than a year old, so then it's easier for my site to rank in the search engines than when it was brand new. And so my site trust has built. When you first start out a site, it'll show your site trust as 0, and that's relevant to the experience you have when you're trying to rank in the search engines. In the beginning, when you first start out a site, it's very difficult to get rankings unless you target really low competition keywords. But while your site trust is not there, then the low competition is really where you want to go. But you'll be able to watch the growth of your site trust and the health of your site over time. And this visual is really nice. And then it also has, as you can see, the thing that lowers my site health is the plugins. They recommend that you have 5 plugins or below. For me, I have well over that. But and for me, as long as my speed is okay, then I'm okay with having more than 5 plugins. My site is Google ranked. It is indexed. And so that's another thing that affects the health of your site. And you can see that within the dashboard. And then they want you to request feedback. And I also think that it's very important because when you have people go to your site, they think differently than you do. You might think that your site has a great user experience and that it's beautiful and that the colors are nice and that it's the expression of yourself and all of these things, and it might not be. And when you have other people come to your site, really you want to cater to your customers. You want to cater to someone other than yourself. So it's nice to have that feedback. So that's another proprietary tool that Wealthy Affiliate offers, and we'll stop by there so you can see it. As far as the site builder, I want to show you that. So it's very quick to build a website. You can register a domain and actually check the domain availability and buy a website. Let's see, whatever I want. Let's see if that's available. And simply by selecting whatever I want, I can see that these are the ones that are available. Whateveriwant.org is available, so I can add that to my cart and register that domain. MyWhateverIWant.com is available, so I can add that to my cart and purchase that domain. After I own the domain, then I can go to the website builder and I can build the website on a domain that I own. And so it'll ask me, what domain do I want to build the website on? And I can choose any of these. Let's say I go for dallas.wildcitydeals.com and I decide to, you enter your title, Dallas Wild City Deals, and I pick my theme. So you can pick, there's lots of themes here. As you can see, 4,098 themes to pick from. And so I can pick my theme. Now you can also do the same thing on a free domain. So included with Wealthy Affiliates free membership, you can choose a free domain and you can register that. So I can do wildcitydeals.siterubics.com, and I can start to build out my website, add my content, get it to rank in the search engines on this domain. Then once I have the money later, if I'm having a financial constraint right now, once I have the money, then I can reinvest into my business and buy the domain and switch that domain, transfer it onto a premium domain. Site support would help with that. So Wealthy Affiliate is truly the most budget-friendly way to start a business online, because you don't have to buy hosting and you don't have to buy a domain. You can simply set up your website on a .siterubics subdomain. You can start to build out the website, start to get traction, and when the website produces the income, reinvest it. Now, a lot of people talk about how having your own website, the importance of it, and I couldn't agree more. But if you are having a budget issue and this is something you need to do in the meantime, go for it. And it's best to start out free and stay free and upgrade when you have the money than to start out paid and then have to pull out and just cancel the website altogether. So I would say this is a great option. So that is the site builder for you. And then site domains, I showed you how you can find and register domains. Site content is one of my favorite parts of the Wealthy Affiliate platform. As you can see, I'm actively working on a few posts now. So I use this platform regularly. Site content enables me to write from one login and to publish to any of the sites that I have hosted on Wealthy Affiliate. You can host up to 50 websites. Included in I should have shown you in the site manager, but included in the hosting is cloud hosting for up to 30 kilobytes of storage, and the bandwidth suffices for up to 500,000 page views per month. So the minority of people online have more than 500,000 page views per month, but for the majority, that is comparable to VPS hosting, and VPS hosting is more than enough for most people. For a new person starting out, shared hosting is fine, and 30 kilobytes is too much. But Wealthy Affiliate, they offer you this amount of storage space, and then they're also adding on to the hosting platform to offer dedicated hosting soon. So as you can see, I've written a lot over the last year. So I've written nearly 700,000 words over the last year inside of the Wealthy Affiliate site content platform. And so I've published 391 articles within the last year, and I have lots of content ideas waiting for me. So with that, you can see how this platform works. You can set up templates. I have several templates here, and I use them to create my blog posts. The templates help drastically with improving your writing efficiency. Instead of taking the post and creating a new layout every time, this is a basic template, a keyword-rich content template. So you can have just a template like this that's very simple. You add your content inside of it, add your titles inside of it, and it drastically improves your writing efficiency. You don't have to sit and look at a blank screen and wonder, where do I start? The same thing with if you are like me and you write reviews, or you write best of posts, or you write comparisons, or anything like that. You can create a template that works best for what you write. When I was doing web design for different companies, I had all of my templates here that I can just quickly build their websites and just add the content in, click publish, and then transfer their websites out to whichever hosting when the time came. So Wealthy Affiliate, the publishing platform, it helps with efficiency so much, in my opinion. And it's one of my favorite parts of the platform. Added to the site content feature and the templates, or added to the templates inside of site content, I should say, you also have the writing stats area. And this is another area that I use regularly to track my writing goals. So as you can see, I published 25 articles between February 25th and March 27th. So, of course, this doesn't count what you do in WordPress. So if I wrote any pages or I added any content inside of WordPress, that would be separate from this. But either way, between February 25th and March 27th, I published 25 articles. I had 19 that were indexed in Google, because site content tracks the date that your content is indexed in Google, and it'll send you a notification in your email that your content was just indexed. So that's another motivational thing. It's exciting that your content is actually getting ranked, and that it has that potential. So over the last month, you can see I published 25, 19 of them were indexed. And this also helps me because I can go back and look at which articles weren't indexed inside of site content, and then I can submit them into the Search Console for indexing. So it helps me to know which ones I need to go over to the Search Console and index. Most of the time, I'll go over to the Search Console and request indexing before before I notice this. It's just a part of my publishing. But in this case, it looks like I missed a few. So it evaluates your writing level based off of how much content you're producing, and then it'll show you how much content I am producing on a month-to-month basis. I'm producing about 66,373 words between February 25th and March 27th. So you can see, I usually set goals, and site content will track them for me. So I set a goal that I want to write another 10,000 words by March 29th. And then you can see I'm 27% of the way done with that goal. I wanted to do 5 articles by March 29th. I haven't started on that goal. I actually got really into doing these videos and doing my 90-day challenge, and I haven't been doing my publishing on my website, but I will get back to that. So this is a part of part of Wealthy Affiliate that is a proprietary part. This is a writing tool that you won't find inside of most other blog training courses. It's a writing tool that you won't find inside of other hosting platforms. So when I go and look around at comparables and I try to find which hosting company is the best, and I'm looking at the ways that I currently use my hosting service. That's why I say Wealthy Affiliate is truly number one when it comes to hosting, because this is not something that other hosting companies have. The site manager and being able to evaluate the health of your website, that's not something they have either. You usually have to fiddle with cPanel and things like that. And to each is his own. Some people may like that. For me, I didn't like it. It seemed inefficient since I only use WordPress, and since the majority of what I want to do on the control panel is here. So the rest of it just was extra and just made it a little more confusing and less user friendly for me. That was my opinion of it. Site content is also a feature that is very nice that is offered within Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see, you can earn from writing comments. Now, this isn't a make money quickly or anything like that. It actually doesn't make you a lot of money to do the comments, but since comments is something that helps with SEO on various websites, and since most of the time bloggers do comment exchanges on each other's sites, this is just a proprietary tool that Wealthy Affiliate has created that helps to divvy out the demand for content for comments with people inside of the niche that are interested in the type of content you're producing. So for example, I'm interested in business. And so when people put their website into Wealthy Affiliate and they request comments and they have an article that's on business, then it'll send me a notification. Now, this area is super aggressive. When you put in, as a person who, I usually put my articles here for comments. I don't usually go and do the comments just because I don't have the time. I'm constantly creating. So, but when I put my articles here to request for comments, people are quickly responding to my comment requests, and they put their comments, they put their opinions about what I've written. I can be honest that sometimes the people don't put honest opinions. I think sometimes they feel like maybe I just want somebody to have my side. But for me, personally, I don't like comments when they're not honest. I would prefer, even if I said, this is a good course, and the person disagreed and thought it was a bad course, I personally would prefer if they would say, you know what, I don't think that's a good course. And I would approve the comment, because I feel like I want my readers to come to my site and to get an honest perspective on whatever it is that I'm writing. If I write a review and I say something is good and they think it's bad, be honest, So the comment platform is growing. People are understanding better how to use it. And but some people still think that the purpose is to just kind of, I guess, game the system. So yeah, but that's not the purpose. As far as the site feedback, I want to take you there because that's also a very, very nice feature. I use it anytime I make tweaks or changes to my website. I use the site feedback feature to make sure that it's still user-friendly for the people who visit there. So as you can see, I just recently requested feedback on my website after doing a new design. And so I use the points that I have here to purchase, and these points you can accumulate them by paying it forward and giving feedback on other people's websites. You can use it by giving comments on other people's websites. You can accumulate these credits by doing training, creating training, and the points, you can use them to request feedback, to request comments, to purchase domains. You can use them to make purchases on the site. So that's another great benefit, is the site feedback platform. And the people just stop by your website and they tell you what they think. I've gotten some good feedback that's very thorough, and some of it is a little more shallow. But most of the time, I've gotten very helpful feedback, even if it's feedback that I don't like in this case, this person didn't like the colors on my website. They didn't like my brand color palette. I mean, I still appreciate their feedback, you know? Um, and I can decide how to use their feedback and appropriate it to make it better for other people. I can find out, is that something that bothers other people, or is it just something that bothered this particular person? But it's still useful to have that feedback, and to not just make the site based off of my own inspiration and based off of what I like or what I think is good. Because ultimately, when you create a business, you don't create it for yourself, you create it for other people. So, another proprietary tool that is offered through Wealthy Affiliate, I'll do a little more explanation on this when I do my Jaxi review, but this is Jaxi. It's integrated inside of Wealthy Affiliate. When you sign up for free, you get up to 30 searches using Jaxi for free. When you sign up as a premium member, you can search as much as you want with Jaxi. This basically helps you do economics before creating your content, because ultimately, as an entrepreneur, you want to create a solution that's in high demand and low supply. That's where you make your biggest bang, and that's where you make the most money. And so when you're a blogger, you get the most traffic, you get the most income by creating content that has a high demand and a low supply. And so Jaxi helps you evaluate the economics. It helps you to evaluate what content are people looking for online. It pulls the data from Bing and from Google and averages it out so that you'll know how many average searches are people doing for this specific content idea you might have. So, say for example, I'm doing this post on a Wealthy Affiliate review. So let's look up Wealthy Affiliate review. Okay. So Jaxi will tell me how many people are looking for that every month. That's very important data when you're considering creating content on a certain topic. If you create content, like let's say you decide how to clip your toenails, and and the topic isn't something that people look for on Google or on Bing, then you won't get traffic, and it defeats the purpose of you creating the content. So, as you can see, on average, 539 people look for Wealthy Affiliate Review per month. But you can see that there's lots of different keyword variations that they also look for. This is the amount of traffic that I can expect to get if I rank on the first page with this keyword. And this is the amount of people that are competing for this keyword. So as you can see, 214 people are competing for this keyword, Wealthy Affiliate Review. So then for me to be able to get on the first page and get this amount of traffic would be more difficult, because the first page only has less than, I think, 20 results. And so at 214, that means there's several pages of results where people have Wealthy Affiliate Review as their target keyword. And so with that knowledge, then I can decide, is that the actual keyword that I should use to rank in Google and Bing? One cool thing about Jaxi is you can also find domain name ideas. And Jaxi also has in addition to the keyword data that you can get, you can create keyword lists. So if you plan to do PPC, or if you just want to create your content calendar ahead of time, then you can create keyword lists, and you can add together and plan out how your site is going to grow from zero to certain traffic levels, because you can put all of the keywords that you plan to target for the next year or so inside of a list, and then kind of be able to average, well, if I rank on the first page for these keywords, then this is how much traffic I can expect to get. And you can also use that to do your business plan, because if you get this certain amount of traffic at this certain conversion rate, then this can be your expected income. So a keyword research tool like Jaxie can be very helpful with making logical decisions about the growth of your business online. Also, another nice feature is the search analysis. And so I see a lot of people who use Jaxie and they only use this site rank feature, and I think that is what you would call a pity. That's a pity, because like I mentioned in a previous video, Brian Dean from Backlinko has what you call the skyscraper technique. And that's basically where you look at the content that is doing the best, and then you evaluate why it's doing the best, and you outperform it, you outwork it, you outthink it, you outpace it. And that's how you can continue to compete in the SERPs. So Jaxie has a very useful search analysis tool. And so when you look inside of Jaxie, you can enter, let's go for example. Let's do the same thing. Let's enter Wealthy Affiliate Review. So here I can see these are the posts that are ranking at the top for Wealthy Affiliate Review. So I can look at the details of these posts and see why they're ranking so high. I can see the word count. I can see how many links. I can see how many backlinks. I can see the Alexa ranking. And all of that information can help me. I can also click on it from here and pull it up into my browser and read it and see how engaging the content is. How is it a real story? Is it an actual experience? Is it a good review, or is it a negative review? I can evaluate the content and decide if I can make something better than what's already ranking there. And if I feel like I can, if I feel like I can beat them out in the different factors that are necessary to rank the site, then I go for it. But just using the site rank, to me, isn't sufficient. But the thing is, Jaxie has more than that. In addition to that, Jaxie also has the Brainstorm Headquarters, where you can kind of how people use Google Trends or something like that, where you can see what type of topics are trending. Jaxie curates trending topics that you can use to piggyback on and create content that will rank well, content that would get traffic. And then they also have the affiliate programs portion, where you can take the topic that you plan to write about, and it pulls in data from the different affiliate networks to help you choose an affiliate program that you can connect to the content that you're producing, so you can monetize the content. So that is a lot of information. When you go back to the dashboard, I also want to show you how easy it is to get live responses from people. So as you can see, seconds ago, minute ago, 4 minutes ago, these people are actually chatting. And this is also a way that if you have questions, you can ask your questions. So not only can you ask your questions on your profile, and like I showed you below, like by scrolling down, your question would pop up on the members dashboard. So anyone who saw your question can stop by and answer here. Not only do you have this option as a way to ask a question, but you also have the live chat. And then another way you can ask questions is like if you have technical questions, like my website's running slow. My website went down when I installed this plugin. Questions that are technical about your website being live or about the platform or something like that, you can submit those questions to site support. And site support is very responsive. It's very easy to submit tickets there. And then let's see. These are the top helpers on the platform today. Most of these are super affiliates, people who earn well over a full-time living online. Most of them are. And so, as you can see, these are advanced internet marketers who are actively on the platform, answering people's questions, helping people out. And so they're considered the top helpers today, and that changes. But you can ask them your questions. They're obviously very active today. Along with that, these are the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, and you can also message them. That's why when you click, it allows you to message them. If you have a question, this is how those members got their questions on my dashboard. You can ask a question there. You can private message people if you're a premium member. You can do the live chat. You can do site support. There's lots of ways for you to get your questions answered so you don't stay stuck in your business. So I hope this was helpful for you. I was trying to show you everything you would need to decide if Wealthy Affiliate is a good platform for you. If you want to learn internet marketing, if you need a new hosting service, if you want to learn how to make money blogging or how to make money online, how to start a side hustle, how to start a new investment that could return for you well over 500%, like I've seen happen with many of the members here. If those things sound interesting to you, definitely join me at Wealthy Affiliate. You can follow me by entering in howtoentrepreneur.org/wealthy affiliate, or you can stop by my website, howtoentrepreneur.org. You can read the full Wealthy Affiliate review, and you can actually join from there. So I hope this review was helpful for you, or this walkthrough tour was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. I'll leave all the links and the information in the comment section below. And I also gave alternatives if you're interested in learning internet marketing and this doesn't look like a good fit for you, or if you need hosting and you have more than 500,000 page views and you need more than 30 kilobytes of storage, premature of Wealthy Affiliate offering dedicated servers, then I do have recommendations that I have personally interacted with each company, and I have personally verified the customer satisfaction and different things, so I can recommend you to some good companies if this doesn't look like a good fit for you. So stop by my website at howtoentrepreneur.org for more information, for reviews on products or services that can help you to start a business from an idea and grow it into an enterprise. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more internet marketing videos, or if you want to see more videos on entrepreneurship or general lifestyle. I'll be adding more content that is a little more into lifestyle topics after I get this groundwork laid of internet marketing and entrepreneurship. So I'd love if you join me on this journey. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and have a good day. Bye.